Oh, motherfucker.
When the sale of second-hand jet skis advertised on Gumtree appears to be dropping. Give us more of those as we get throughout the afternoon. The ABC's War on Waste campaign is back again. And on Drive, we're looking for some of Australia's best.
Don't do that. You are a prick.
Wasteland.
An utter
Is that
prick.
you? Do you do remarkable and extraordinary things when it comes to being...
And what are we doing?
Sure. So I just want to let you know that that's something you can actually choose to decline each year. If you don't want it to go up right at the then you can choose to decline that. And it actually only goes up based on age, so it doesn't go up as high. Now at the moment, let me just confirm what I can see in my system so we're both on the same page here. So with your real final expenses insurance, yourself and Amanda,
Motherfucker, piss off. Just scratching my head.
All on there.
It's always coming back, probably the Can Show, second week, October.
Okay.
Terrible time.
Whoops. We can't do Saturday. Would you got a christening? Oh, Chris is moving that weekend.
Whoa, motherfucker!
Whoops.
Asshole!
Dickhead.
I'm increasingly concerned about your right to privacy. Is that something you'll share with me today? Just a private moment between you and me? And hopefully everyone else?
On 1300 222.
Supposed to give way to people in the friggin' roundabout, you know that.
Twitter page today, they reckon that the most reliable indicator of whether WA's economy is bouncing back is the number of second-hand jet skis advertised on Gumtree. Well, I had a look on Gumtree and there's still lots of jet skis advertised.
Well, you indicated right and went straight. You
so I wonder
clown.
this afternoon, can you complete the sentence for me on the text? You know
No, you dickhead, you fucking idiot. Jesus Christ.